You've decided to make the switch from All-in-One SEO to Yoast SEO, but you don't want to have to go back in and do all of that work. Here's a simple trick to utilize importing your existing All-in-One SEO settings to Yoast SEO. So once you've gone ahead and installed Yoast, what you're going to do is just go to your Yoast plugin, and I'm just going to kind of scroll all the way down to Yoast here to be able to kind of go ahead and find that. Click on Settings. And now that we're kind of in our settings, we're going to navigate to Tools. Once Tools is loaded, we're going to go select the option for Import and Export. We're going to go ahead and import our settings from an other SEO plugin. In this situation, we're going to go ahead and select All-in-One SEO. And then we're going to go ahead and select that. And we're going to click Import first. This import can take a little bit of time, but once that's done, all of your meta tag titles, your meta descriptions, and your focus keywords will have successfully migrated over to All-in-One SEO to Yoast. Still recommend going through and just kind of checking those pages just to be sure, but that is how you can successfully transition from All-in-One SEO over to Yoast. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below, but thanks again for reaching out.